Welcome, everyone. Let's jump into this discussion. We're looking at a really vibrant take on AI and lifestyle, where the idea is that AI is like your secret weapon for daily life optimization, right?
Yep, exactly. It's fascinating. Iryna really painted AI as not just a tool, but almost a personal intern who never asks for a day off. How does that resonate with what you're hearing?
Oh, totally. I mean, she said that whether you're a CEO, a side hustler, or a tired mom juggling meal prep with a soccer schedule, AI's like an unstoppable assistant that handles everything from emails to generating content, even those flirty text replies. That's a game changer.
hmm Wait, did I hear correctly? AI helping with flirty replies? That's wild, right? But isn't there a risk of losing that genuine human touch?
Sure, I get that concern, but she joked that if Shakespeare had GPT-4, Juliet might just leave Romeo to invest in herself. It's kind of a playful way of saying AI can amplify our creativity while we focus on the uniquely human parts.
Right.
It's like outsourcing the mundane so you can shine.
Yeah, I love that analogy. But then she also compared businesses that resist AI to that friend who still prints out MapQuest directions, amusing yet painfully relevant.
Exactly. It's that mix of humor and hard truth. Traditional methods can be so outdated, and using AI is like swapping an ancient flip phone for a smart, sleek smartphone that never runs out of battery. Except here, the battery is pure, relentless efficiency.
And speaking of efficiency, she mentioned that AI is like having your own team of Ivy League interns who don't need sleep, handling repetitive tasks, crunching data, and even suggesting creative content ideas.
Right. It's basically the intern that never ghosts you, always present, always ready with data, all while you sip your latte and pretend it's
Yes.
productivity. It's a humorous yet practical vision of how tech can streamline our lives.
That really struck me though. Aren't we risking overdependence on automation? I mean, where's the balance between innovation and the human touch?
That's a valid critique. Iryna was clear that AI isn't here to replace our brains. It's here to free them, letting us focus on creativity and strategic thinking. It's about leveraging tools, like using concealer to enhance your natural glow, smart and subtle.
hmm Exactly. It's a call to treat AI as an enhancer, not a replacement. And honestly, that perspective is empowering. Reminds me to befriend technology rather than fear it.
Totally. Whether it's optimizing your schedule, generating content, or even making sure you remember to hydrate and post that perfect shot, AI becomes a partner in leveling up your game.
Right.
And it's a conversation that's both humorous and hard-hitting.
For sure, it's all about balance and seizing the benefits without letting them overshadow our authentic selves.
Absolutely. In the end, Iryna's message is crystal clear. Embrace AI for what it is, a tool to free your potential. It's like having a personal cheerleader that works 24/7, giving you more time to be unapologetically
Yep.
you.
And that's such a refreshing take in a world where technology often seems like a cold, impersonal force. Cheers to a future where AI enhances rather than replaces the magic that is us.
Cheers to that indeed. Stay curious, embrace the tech, and let's make our lives not just easier, but also a lot more creative.